What if I told you you could build an entire income stream from your bedroom without ever showing your face, using only the power of artificial intelligence? This isn't science fiction. It's reality for thousands right now, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how. We're diving into 5 AI-powered side hustles that are crushing it, and will keep printing money into 2025 and beyond. Forget what you thought about making money online. The game has changed, barriers are gone. Get in on the ground floor of a revolution. Welcome to Neuro Profit AI, bold, fast, faceless. I'm Chaneth. We cut through the noise to bring you actionable AI wealth strategies. This isn't theory, it's a practical blueprint. A 10-minute, 16:9 YouTube guide packed with everything you need to start today. Turn on subtitles at the bottom of your screen. We move fast and drop massive value. Get ready to take notes. This could change your financial future, not pocket change. Scalable, semi-passive income machines. Each hustle requires zero on-camera presence, minimal startup cost, and cutting-edge AI doing 90% of the heavy lifting. I've spent hundreds of hours researching, testing, verifying these methods. Now I'm giving you the entire playbook for free. Are you ready to take action? Let's get into the first, possibly the easiest, AI side hustle you can start this week. First up, AI voiceover and narration. Think about it. Millions of hours uploaded every day. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, corporate training videos, audiobooks, podcasts. They all need a voice. Hiring professional voice actors is expensive. You can offer high-quality, emotionally resonant voice for a fraction of the price, generated by AI. Demand is exploding. The market is nowhere near saturated. You're probably thinking, but doesn't AI voice sound robotic? Not anymore. Listen, robotic versus hyper-realistic. AI can mimic intonation, emotion, and pacing, from a dramatic whisper to a booming announcement. Tools like 11 Labs, Play.ht, Murph AI. You can clone voices, generate new ones, and fine-tune every detail. Your job isn't just to press a button, you're a voice director. Guide the AI to produce the perfect vocal performance. This is a skill, and it pays incredibly well. Step 1. Sign up for a top-tier AI voice generator. Use a free trial to test it. Step 2. Create a portfolio of demo clips, famous movie-style speeches, commercial scripts, book excerpts. Generate them in corporate, casual, dramatic, upbeat styles. Step 3. List your services on freelance marketplaces. Your profile should scream professionalism. When you're starting out, charge $50 for a 5-minute voiceover. It might take about 30 minutes to perfect using the AI. As you get better, charge $200, $500, or more for audio books. I've seen freelancers pulling in $2,000 to $5,000 a month part-time. Quick tip, don't just offer the voiceover, offer a package, audio mixing, adding royalty-free background music, and splitting files into ready-to-use tracks. That positions you as a full-service audio production partner. Clients will pay a premium for convenience. Imagine this, a YouTuber needs 10 videos voiced per week. A business needs a new phone IVR. An author wants an audiobook. These aren't one-off jobs, they're recurring revenue streams. Provide reliable, high-quality service and build a roster of repeat clients. The AI does the vocal work. You manage relationships and quality. This creates a scalable business model. Setup costs are laughably low compared to studios. You can run this from a coffee shop with a laptop and headphones, while an audiobook chapter renders, fine-tune, a short commercial. You're not trading time for money, you're leveraging AI to multiply output. Voiceover services are the perfect entry point. Next on our list, personal favorite because of its potential for true passive income, the AI-generated niche newsletter. For years, creators have built empires on email lists. Platforms like Substack, platforms like Beehive. The problem, consistently creating valuable content is hard. But what if you could automate 90% of that? A niche newsletter serves a specific audience. Instead of health and wellness, think biohacking for busy tech executives. Instead of finance, think weekly DeFi opportunities under $1 million market cap. The more niche, the less competition, and the more valuable your curation. You're the curator and editor-in-chief. AI is your team of writers. You are the brain. The AI is the workforce. Step 1. Identify a profitable, underserved niche. Step 2. Use ChatGPT-4, Claude, Perplexity to research and generate core content. Your prompts are key. Ask for the top 5 breakthroughs in longevity science this week. citing sources, written for educated non-scientists. Step 3. Fact check. Edit tone and voice. Add your unique insights. Step 4. Load into your platform and schedule. Offer a free version to attract subscribers and a paid premium at $5, $10 a month. 100 people at $10 equals $1,000 a month. 500 equals 5,000. Once dialed in, 2 to 3 hours per week. AI handles research and drafting. Get first subscribers by 1. Providing value in Reddit, Facebook groups, Discord, then mention your free newsletter. 2. AI-made lead magnets, ebook, checklist, short guide, promoted with low-cost ads. 3. Cross-promotion with adjacent creators. Aim for 10, then 50, then 100. You're building an asset you truly own. Monetize via subscriptions, affiliates, your digital products, and sponsors. You're a niche media mogul in the making. AI democratizes it. All it takes, a good idea, consistent work ethic, and smart leverage of AI tools. Third hustle, a classic business model supercharged by AI, print on demand. Photoshop struggle versus AI prompt, instant design. POD means you create designs for t-shirts, mugs, posters, but you don't hold inventory. When a customer buys from Etsy or Redbubble, a third party prints and ships. You collect the profit. Biggest hurdle? Enough unique designs. AI image generators, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion, change the game. No need to be a design genius. Generate intricate, commercially viable designs in seconds. Cyberpunk corgi in neon Tokyo, minimalist floral phone case, hundreds of variations in an afternoon. Process. First, brainstorm a niche, the more specific the better. Instead of cat shirts, think Spanx cat owners who love reading. Specificity is your secret weapon. Second, use an AI image generator. Learn prompt engineering, masterable in days. Third, upload to Printify or Printful. Integrate with Etsy, Shopify, Amazon Merch on demand. Set your price. Fulfillment is automatic. Example, POD cost $15 per shirt. List for $30. After fees, net around $12. With 500 designs, if each sells once per month, that's $6,000 in profit. Don't stop at images. Use AI to write product titles, descriptions, tags, templates to generate dozens of SEO-optimized variations. Pro tip: automate listings. Software can take your design folder and spreadsheet, then upload hundreds or thousands of listings. Create once, sell infinitely across products, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, phone cases, earning while you sleep with global reach and near zero risk. Midjourney 30-month, Printify free, Etsy cents per listing. For less than a few pizzas you have a global e-commerce business. It's a numbers game. AI lets a solo founder scale. Fourth side hustle, service-oriented, incredibly lucrative, setting up AI chatbots and automations for small businesses. Millions of small businesses, local plumbers, dentists, online coaches, real estate agents, are missing leads and drowning in repetitive questions. They can't hire full-time help, but they're losing money daily. You will be their tech hero. Build simple AI-powered chatbots on their site and socials. Not the clunky bots of the past. Modern platforms like TDO, BotPress, VoiceFlow use NLP to respond like humans. They answer FAQs, book appointments, capture leads, and qualify customers 24/7. You're selling a result. Never miss a lead again, or cut repetitive emails by 80%. Onboarding is simple. 1. Discovery call. Too many repeat questions, missed after-hours messages. 2. Design the conversation flow. Use AI to draft scripts, e.g., write a friendly chatbot for a dental clinic covering services, hours, insurance, and booking. 3. Build in a no-code tool. 4. Install with a single line of code. Example, a real estate agent gets constant, "Is it available?" and "What's the price?" Build a bot that answers from a spreadsheet, asks, "Are you pre-approved?" and offers to schedule a viewing, qualifying leads 24/7. Charge a $500 to $2,000 one-time setup, or my favorite, a retainer, $300 setup, then $100 to $300 month for monitoring, tweaks, and monthly performance reports. This month, 250 conversations, 30 new leads. 5 clients at $200 a month is $1,000 MRR. 10 is $2,000. Bots need little maintenance. Manage 10-15 clients on the side. You're selling time savings and revenue. The value prop is strong. Find clients via local networking, LinkedIn outreach, or targeted Facebook ads highlighting pains you solve. Perfect for problem solvers who want visible impact. The final hustle, with massive viral potential, is creating faceless YouTube channels powered almost entirely by AI. You've seen them. Historical facts, psychological tricks, luxury lifestyle motivation, stock footage, AI-generated voiceover and text overlays. No face, millions of views, thousands in ad revenue. Become a content factory. Pick a popular niche, history, science, philosophy, motivation, and produce a high volume of shorts. Step 1. Ideation and scripting. Give me 50 surprising historical facts, under 60 seconds, then have AI write punchy scripts. Step 2. Voiceover. Plug scripts into 11 labs. Step 3. Visuals. Use Pictory or InVideo to auto-find clips, add captions, and sync to voice. What took hours now takes minutes. Batch an entire week's content in an afternoon. Post 1-3 shorts, reels per day. Consistency beats perfection. Monetize via YouTube Partner Program. 1,000 subscribers and 10 million valid public shorts views in 90 days. Millions of views can mean several $1,000s monthly. Also use affiliates, link relevant products, history, link books, motivation, link planners, growth hack, create mini-series. 3 Roman emperors who weren't who you think. Post as parts 1, 2, and 3 to drive binge watching and channel visits. You're the producer, director, strategist, never on camera. Build a media asset that pays for years. Run multiple channels. Psychology, space, Stoic philosophy, each an automated content machine aligned with short-form binge habits. AI makes execution 100x easier. Build a media empire from your keyboard. And there you have it, 5 powerful, faceless AI side hustles that are set to explode in 25. From creating voiceovers, designing t-shirts, building chatbots, to automating entire YouTube channels, the opportunity is massive. We've covered the exact steps, the tools you need, and the income potential for each. I don't have the skills, I don't have the money, I don't want to be on camera, are gone. AI has leveled the playing field. The only thing between you and a new income stream is the decision to start. Don't just watch, choose one of these hustles and take the first step today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Neuro AI for more faceless AI side hustle strategies. We deliver cutting-edge, no-fluff guides to help you build wealth in this new digital era. Remember, subtitles are at the bottom. Rewatch any section you need. The future doesn't wait. And the AI revolution is happening right now, with or without you. This is your call to action. If you found even a shred of value, destroy that like button. Subscribe to Neuro AI and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Check the description for links to all the tools we mentioned. Now, stop watching and start building. I'll see you in the next video.